BJP leader and former South Chennai party candidate. I participated in that. And our party will be announced the candidate. But today, as a BJP leader, as alliance partner leader, who contested from Chennai Parliament, I participated in that. First day, it's become very, very auspicious day, and the more strength has been exhibited by all the cadres. Even the general public were welcoming the arrangements. So we are very happy, and Honorable Edapadiyar will be sworn in as Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. NDA will win.
BJP got 27 seats for the upcoming assembly elections in NDA sheet formula, ma'am. How do you see these 27 seats?
27 we have to give, because why we got only one seat from Chennai, we have to distribute to almost all the districts. And Kanyakumari, we are from the beginning we are more powerful, so we have got more seats from Kanyakumari. And it is not the number of seats each, because it's alliance. Almost 234 belongs to us only. There is no any 27 or 18 or 11. All seats are our seats. Definitely we will win.
What do you think? What is this elections all about? What are issues on the ground, ma'am?
No, issue is issues. Lot of issues. What issue to tell? So it is almost large number of issues. So anti-incumbency is there. Women are not safe. So definitely people are distressed. So definitely we will win.
We'll be seeing the Prime Minister Narendra Modi along with the HM Amit Shah doing rallies, road shows here in Tamil Nadu and in Chennai. A power-packed road show.
Yeah, definitely. We are all motivated and energized and electrified by all our visit of our Honorable Prime Minister and our Home Minister. Our Honorable Prime Minister, when he visited 2 times a grand rally, and all our alliance partners were very happy, alliance leaders were very happy. So we are a very formidable alliance, and we have categorically distributed our seats. So it is really a winnable alliance.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.